Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add overlays on your CapCut video. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut, and from here what we're going to do first is import our videos. So for example, right here. So what we're going to do is this one would be our background video and this one is going to be our overlay. So what you want to do to your overlay is that you want to put it above the video or background that you have right here. So for example, this is what I want to be playing, and at here overlaying this video right here. So this should be on top. It should not be like this one right here, because if this happens, just like this one, as you can see, it's in the same layer, so you can see it right here. So you must put it above the video right here so that it would be like this one right here. And from here, you simply want to select the video that you want to adjust. So for example, you want to adjust this one, and you may want to scale that down and maybe put it right here. Just an example. So this might be a video of your talking head. You might be talking here and you'll be talking about this one right here. It might be that scenario for you, but in my case, it will be like this. So all you have to do is just adjust everything that you need right here, and that is basically it. That is how easy it is. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.